How to download and install uTorrent in Windows 11. Now this is actually pretty simple. Here in Google, I want you to go ahead and type here uTorrent, and then what you're going to look for is uTorrent Classic. So go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and download this. Now once you click the download button, you will be redirected here. I want you to go ahead and choose the basic. So basically this is going to be the free one that we are going to use. Alright, so just go ahead and install it wherever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a desktop or in the downloads, and then you can just go ahead and click this one in order for you to start the installation process. There you go. Now I'm going to click next. Alright, and then click next once again, agree, and this time we have the optional offer, which is the McAfee Web Advisor. In my case, I'm just going to decline this one, and then make sure that you are going to check everything here and then click next. Now this time there is an option for you to start uTorrent when Windows starts up. In my case, I don't normally advise you to do this because it takes up space and RAM usage. So I'm just going to disable this one and basically just using uTorrent when I want to use it. Alright, this time let's go ahead and click the finish button and uTorrent should be launched just like so. And yep, that is how it is, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.